Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the addition of the word problem. Addition by carrying over word problem. I hope you answer your paper very well, and today's paper is EVS. So best of luck for your paper. Answer very well. So now let's start the problem. Solve the following problems. First, page number 50, reliable book. So your reliable book is part 3, page number 50. So solve the following problems. If 365 humans and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part altogether? So how many people took part altogether? So look here. You have to write HTU. Then 365 plus 276. 365 plus 276. So woman is and man. So altogether how many people took part? So look here. Now this here you have to write 100 times unit. First you have to go in unit side first column. So 5 plus 6, how many students? 11. So 1 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7. 7 tens plus 7 tens. How many is? 14 units. So carry 1 here. So here look here. 100 plus 300 plus 200. How many here? 600. So 610, 4 tens, 1 unit. Answer is 641. So altogether 641 people took part. Now second look here. Malti gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasantra gave 400 and Jayvantra gave 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? So what was the total of the book gifted to the school library? So we will see here. Again you have to write here 100 tens unit. Now look here. How many it is given? 350. So look here. 350, 400 and 165. 165. So now look here. So Malatai Bai, then Vasantra, and Jayvantra. So altogether books are gifted. Books are gifted to the school library. Now look here, in 10 unit first start from unit column. So 0 unit plus 0 unit plus 5 unit. You get here 5 units. Then again in 10 columns 5 tens plus 0 plus 6. How many? 11. Carry 1 here. So carry 1 here. 3 plus 300 plus 400 is 700. 700 plus 1 8. And here is 1. It is 900. So look here, 900, 1 times 5 units. So your answer is 950. So Malati Bai is given 350 books. Vasanta is given 400 and Javandra is given 165. Altogether 950. So altogether 915 books are gifted to the school library. I hope you understood this. Then third, if 223, if 230 Gulmore trees and 375 neem trees and 160 teak tree were planted to the hillside, how many trees were planted all together? How many plants planted in all together? So 230 plus 375 plus 160. So altogether, Gulmore tree. And teak tree. Now look here. Plant it on. Now look here. First column start from unit column 0, unit plus 5, unit plus 0, we get here 5. Then 10 units, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So write here 6, carry 1 here. In 100 columns, 100 plus 200 plus 300 and 100. How many we get? 2 plus 300 plus 1, 5 plus 6 and 1, 700. It is 700, 6, 10, 5 units. So 765. Gulmohar tree is 230, 375 neem tree and 160 teak tree. Altogether 765 plants are planted on hillside. Now next, after the pollution, at the pollution testing center, 193 two-wheeler and 297 four-wheeler vehicles were tested. So what was the total number of vehicles tested for pollutions? Now let's see here. So 193 plus 297. So in unit columns, 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 carry 1 again. 1 10 plus 9 tens. 9 9 18 plus 1 19. So again here 1. So in 100 columns, 100 plus 200 3 plus 1 400. So it is here 400 400, 9, 10, 0 unit means 490. So look here it is given a two-wheeler. It is given a two-wheeler, and here it is a four-wheeler. Four-wheeler. So altogether, altogether 490 vehicles are tested. Vehicles are tested for pollution. So look here, there are two-wheelers, 193 two-wheelers and plus 297 four-wheelers are given for tested for pollution. So how many altogether? 490. So altogether 490 vehicles are tested for pollutions. Now in reliable book part 3, page number 51, there are given an extra question answer. So I am going to solve two, rest you have to solve, and again next page number 53, two sums I am going to solve and rest you have to solve. So you have to solve this in your notebook as well as in your reliable book. Now look here, solve the following problems. First, story book is 50 and books of poems are 75. So how many altogether? So look here, 50 story book. Story books and 75 poem book. Altogether how many? So altogether books are there. So look here, in unit column first, 0 plus 5 unit is 5. In 10, 5 times plus 7, 10. How many? So carry 1, here it is 1. So 125. So look here, story books. It's given 50 story books and poem is 75 books. Altogether 125 books are there. Next. In the basket, 35 mangoes and 45 guavas. So that you have to solve. Now I am going to solve third. Cost of a dress is 275 rupees and cost of a shirt is 399 rupees. So how many altogether cost needed for dress and shirt? So cost of dress is 275. Cost of dress plus cost of shirt. Cost of shirt is 399. Cost of shirt. So altogether how many? So altogether together. Cost needed for dress and shirt. Dress and shirt. Now look here. So in unit columns, 9 plus 5, how many? 14. Carry 1 here. In 10 columns, 7 tens plus 9 tens, how many? 16. 16 plus 1, 7. Carry 1 here. So in 100 columns, 2 plus 3, 200 plus 300 is 500 plus 1, here it is 600. So 600, 7 tens, 4 units. So 674. So here it is 674. Look here. Cost of dress. So 275 is cost of dress. 399 is cost of shirt. How many altogether? Altogether 674 cost needed for the dress and shirt. So second and third you have to solve this all problem in your reliable book as well as in your notebook. Now same way I am just going to tell you in orally. For example 1, page number 52. Solve the following problems. During the school annual day, 228 girls danced and 76 boys sang a song. How many boys and girls took part in the annual day? How many students took part in how many boys and girls took part in the annual day? For example, first of all you have to write here 100 tens unit. Same way 228 plus then 228 girls and 76 boys. So annual day. In annual day how many? Annual day. So 8 plus 6 how many? 14. So 4 carry 1. So in 10 2 plus 7 tens and plus 1. It is equal to 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So altogether 304 students take in part of annual day. So rest you have to solve this student in your notebook and in your reliable book in the same way. So you have to write here, see whether what will you going to write. I am going to see it. So you have to solve it this. Thank you.